Hello, Bladers. A graduation gift from your parents, the first thing you bought after a year's paycheck, or even a year's worth of memories of night outs with your friends. Whatever it is, people are usually very attached to their first cars. And usually, we just can't let it go even if it looks like it is aging. We're here to tell you that it's completely fine. There are a few tricks to make it look and feel like new again. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are 4 tricks to make your car look brand new again. Number 1, car detailing or polishing. Revamp the look and performance of your car with a visit to the car wash. Have them look at your car and work their magic. Number 2, new headlights. Your headlights can make or break your car. If they look a bit dull and foggy, it might indicate that it's a bit old. So freshen up those headlights and install a new one. You'll be surprised, it's not as expensive as it seems. Number 3, new seat covers. Know the feeling of newly changed bed sheets? Well, it's the same for seat covers. Believe us, having new ones will instantly make a difference. Try out this gray and black Sparco seat cover or any of our wide line of seat covers available in any Blade Auto Center. Number 4, work on the music system. Time to upgrade your car's music system. Install 6 stereos that are filled with new advancements. Try out this one from Pioneer available at Blade Auto Center. Do you agree with our tips? Or did we miss some of those ideas you have in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.